Ooh, welcome with boys and play shawarma with anomalies.
Yeah.
Kami lang
Let's
dalawa
go, let's
kasi
go.
3 AM na. Putang ina. Tara.
Yeah. Calculate. But let's go.
Let's go. Ayan.
McDonald's.
Dito tayo sa store, men.
McDonald's.
Binaligtad yung ayos ah. Huwag tayo lalabas ba?
Back.
Merong gagawa, merong magluluto, merong titignan ng camera. Anong gusto mong role?
Oh.
Ayun yung tutorial.
Lakas.
Step 1. Turn on the grill. Customers just love their shawarma hot.
They don't.
Hindi mo gusto yung shawarma mo nang mainit? Bro, you weird.
Saying the people deserve the.
Ayun na,
Like my shawarma
halika
cheesy, bro.
Halika dito.
Like my cheese dripper, bro.
Read the sheet.
They don't serve customer service. Hanap lang yung papers, please.
Don't serve anomalous customers. Serving them is a mistake. Each mistake summons a spectator. If there are many, he'll fix it for you. Ayun na dito. Ayun na, may lalabas dyan. O kaya doon sa taas ng rep na monster. Kapag
Naguto.
unti-unti siyang lalabas mukha ulo muna. Tas yung half ng katawan. Pag mali ng mali, serve ka ng serve sa mga anomalies.
Saan?
Dito yung sa taas ng rep dyan. Dyan. Tas dito sa corner na yan.
Nagutom tuloy ako. Sa shawarma, bro.
Oh, sarap na shawarma, men.
Meats.
Mainit.
Eat.
Nakita mo to. May camera. Kunwari, yung ano mo. Dito mo rin, meron ding sign dyan Kunwari, may yung isang tao is bibili sa'yo. Pero wala siyang sign na anomaly. Double check mo dito kasi merong makikita. Merong nasa camera lang nakikita Kunwari, yung pala. Mukha siyang tao dito sa harapan natin. Pero sa camera mo, ano pala siya, dito, anomaly.
Na magsimula.
Naigis mo naman, di ba?
Great. Now open the window.
Oh, shit.
Everyone know you're ready.
Ayan.
Sa camera ka.
Serving, be sure to read the safe.
Ikaw sa camera, ikaw mag-serve.
We're gonna shift steak, follow the rules. If smiling customer comes in, hand him a soda. The white moving body he gives you must stay sealed.
Or listen to the radio.
Required to a car with no driver wire. There's an inspection exit to back room immediately. Wish I once my doing this inspection ever. So the meat and the skewer begin to pulse and moan. Hey, yo! Begin to pulse and moan, turn off the grill and leave. Not listen to the voices in the meat, they only want you to stay.
Already on their way.
Because I would to serve him but never look at his face. Customers might not be served at all, goes to the window immediately. Must act accordingly to circumstances. Just let's take the most. What?
Ito.
Fuck.
Mukha naman siyang tao. Sige.
You may ass nigga.
Hey, bro, chill out, gang. Chill out. The fuck?
The bell, my bell. Said lame ass. Lame ass.
Bro, this is a family-friendly stream. Ay, video.
Officially.
Wait lang, titignan ko yung camera. Baka anomaly to Okay, mukha
Isang
namang
na-
safe. Mukha naman siya safe. Mukha siyang tao, di ba? Mukha siyang tao. Tangin ng build yan. Grabe namang shoulder yan, bro. All shoulder,
The fuck? Sobrang laki ng shoulder.
Ano ba, larva? Ano ba kailangan? Ano ba gusto niya? Ano ba sabi niya?
Wash. What will love wash?
Ano yung wash?
What's that?
Start with a...
Love
ito.
wash. Pangalan nito. Pita bread. Nut. The nut. Cheese.
And salad.
Some salad.
Meat.
Meats.
Show the meat
All this shit.
to make you feel believe.
You go. Hey, yo.
The hell?
Bigger one. You're talking about.
Fuck. Kapag meron daw yung mga ganyan, yung walang mukha na lalaki, may bilog, isi-serve daw natin siya ng welcome. Sorry, kasi hand him a soda. The wet moving bundle he gives you must.
Under the counter.
The wet moving bundle he gives you must.
Kala yun, no? Bundle. Oh, oh, what the? Look at this. See, let's see.
Eh, pre, kailangan
Seems
nating
to be
tandaan to,
normal.
Kailangan nating tandaan to. Ito, should every
Okay,
around
car.
2 a.m., car with no driver arrive. Lalabas to tayo sa likod ng back door pag nangyari yun. Never look at the
May inspector.
shawarma stand during the inspection ever. Okay. Should the meat on the skewer pose on that?
What the fuck is this?
Turn na pa.
Ew. Oh, hello.
Kailangan natin mag-leave, tama ba?
So I know gear shit.
Tinignan mo sa camera, ano yung itsura niyan?
Yeah, normal naman.
Sabi kasi dito, pag nag-ingay,
Soda.
turn off the grill and leave. Should the meat on the skewer begin to
Go.
post naman?
What do you mean by that? Mess around like others. Okay. Jerry.
So ito yung note, kapag meron dong faceless man na umorder, serve him, pero wag mo titignan directly sa mukha niya. In case of unusual or unknown enemies, according to circumstances, as a take the most suitable version.
Okay. One normalist is good.
Mukha naman siyang tao, gago. Bro built like a hook. Wow! I feel good. Ano ba gagawin ko?
I need more meat.
Ito ako nakuha.
Yo,
Thanks, at least someone's awake.
the fuck do you mean? Wake.
Huwag mo isara, gagi. Para tayo magsaserve yan.
Okay ba tayo?
Ha?
Okay yata eh. Oh shit, who that, bro?
Saan?
Fuck, bro. Cannot blank.
Oh, hell na. Ano yan? Wait, tignan mo na, baka lasing lang.
Oh.
Tignan mo lasing lang, baka lasing lang. Tignan mo yung camera. Ano meron sa kanya? Tignan mo yung likod.
Normal. Normal.
Sigurado ka, ganyan? Normal sa'yo?
Okay to eh, just drunk. Kenig.
Ano, wala, weirdo ba
Wala
siya?
naman yun.
Weirdo ba yung likod niya sa likod niya?
Ah.
Gago, meron siyang butas sa likod, oh. Delete that shit, man. Get out of here. Ano normal, gago, may butas, daming butas sa likod.
Yan. Wala ko, ano lang yan. Ako nga pala, no? Wala ko, ano lang, parang design ng damit. Oh, what the fuck, ito, wala.
Huwag kang lalabas,
Ito na, yung damit niya kasi, ito na same pattern. Oh shit, may fine shit.
Uy! Oh boy, gagi, tingnan mo sa camera, baka weird shit.
Oh, ano yan? That. Normal?
Normal arbet.
Weird shit.
He's pulling his cock out.
Gago! Oh, stop. Close the
Bakit?
shit.
Bakit?
May dalawang tao, may tao sa likod. Same shit, same tao sa nasa likod. Ayaw na.
What do you mean, bro? Oh, hell nah. Close that shit. Oh, hell nah, dude. Bro, don't fall for those
Try the back.
girls,
Tangina.
man.
They tried to back to rush shit. Ganda ng back doon si Shorty.
Nah, hell nah.
Try the back door.
Get out of here.
Back door ang putik.
Get out of here.
Gidimari ko.
Get out of here. You don't serve your kind.
Umansa na. Alright.
That's why I don't believe I find
Shit.
she, bro. Gotta double check.
This.
Teka sa ating live camera. Mukha siya normal.
Yan it.
Oh, normal yan. Serve this man, no?
Labas.
Serve this bold man. His shawarma. Ano na? Friday, no? Ano, wala bang oras?
Oh, may-
Wala bang pinapakita kung anong
Medyo.
oras na?
24. Hindi sa gilid.
You've
12
finally
a.m.
been. Congratulations.
12 a.m.
You've finally been accepted for the night shift.
Oh, dalawa
Bro,
gusto niya.
serve the shime.
He wants to. Yeah.
If places man come to order, serve him better.
Mukhang normal naman to. Normal UK youth.
Every Friday
mind
around
them.
2 a.m. Should the meat.
Soften some things, thanks.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh shit. May tao lumitaw doon bro.
Teka. Takte na. May
Yeah.
nililinis ako. Saan?
May tao ba yan o cellphone lang yan? I don't know.
Oh, hell na. Tignan mo yung kamay niya.
Egla, ew.
Get out of
Ah,
here.
yan, diba?
Get out of here.
Ew.
Close that shit.
Yung kamay niya parang may pattern.
Something else.
Tignan mo yung leg niyo para may merong ano.
Got it.
Nah.
That's close ba?
Tattoo? Di ba?
What the hell? What the fuck?
Ayaw.
Bro, I'm not fucking with that.
boy.
Oh, hell no.
Lee, I was ready to pay 150 and you just shut the window.
Get out of here, shorty.
There you go. Nalalaki yan.
Babae yan, baliw.
2:24. 2 a.m. daw. Inspector na. Every Friday around 2 a.m. Okay, 2 a.m. Or with no driver.
Oh, hell na. Close that shit, man. Oh, naman nagtitwitch and shit, oh.
Hey, come in, boy.
One should
Hey, 2 fine
Get
seats.
him out of here.
Dalawang fine seats sana, sayang.
Dalawa, no?
Alright, that will be
Hmm.
Kaso wala eh, ano eh.
Ah,
Anomaly. Hell na, bro. Huh?
He never left. We never leave.
Oh, hell na, what?
yes, you are leaving, bitch.
Get
Kito.
him out of here.
Saan na ba ilaw? Oh my god, may tao dito sa grill.
Oh, hell na.
Oh, with that, what with that?
Wala. Easter egg lang yun.
Oh, tangin.
Oh, hell na. Hello, bro.
Oh, doon pa rin siya sa labas.
Sino?
We will never leave. Babae.
Ano ba
Wala
counter?
ng tao.
Anong counter dyan?
Wala na siyang kasama eh. Oo. Wala yung kasama niya.
Yun nga yung problema eh.
Ooh. Must not be served. Close the window immediately. Case of unusual or unknown anomalies, act accordingly to the circumstances as it take.
Fuck it.
Hi, one should warm up, please.
Ah, normal to.
Great, thanks.
Kanya dalawa eh. Ow. Ow.
normal yan, normal yan.
Kotse.
Get him out of here. Serve this fine woman if he share her shawarma.
Doing a weird shit na.
Perfect. This totally made my evening.
Man, people in this town, bro, so weird. Mga weirdo ang potek.
Kaya magkape.
Oh, hell na. Sobrang ano na, no? Tumatawid talaga siya sa pedestrian lane. Kung dito
Okay nga
po.
tayo.
Wait, hold on. Chill. Yung kamay nyo, tinan mo, naka parang balik. Am I tripping? Oh yeah, I'm tripping.
Model lang ba yan o game design?
Yeah, I'm tripping, bro. Serve this, man.
Here you go.
Perfect. Just how I like it.
May
I have
shit.
a proposition for you.
Oh, hell na.
Ano. The fuck out of here. Hell no.
Get
the fuck?
him out of here, bro. We're not dealing with that shit.
Weird then. Oh.
Nawala siya. Oh. Gago, baka normal yun.
May buga ng potik.
Eh, wala namang lumalabas dito, so we good.
Amalis. If unusual daw, just deal accordingly. May ganun parang, the fuck, bitch.
Out of here.
Oh. Who this?
Sa may camera. Ako na.
Work at the gas station nearby.
Yeah, buddy. Everyone says that, buddy. Oh, nawawala siya sa ano, night vision, oh. Close that shit. Get him out of here. Pag inoon mo yung ano, wag mo binuksan. Ba't mo binuksan?
Pindot na.
Pag pinindot mo yung night vision, nawawala siya.
Hello.
Get him out of
Both
here.
right when I woke up. Great service,
Ano?
really.
Weird
Kaya kailangan mo siya i-double check talaga eh. Ay, open it. Hell no.
Wala na meat. Meat.
Get a meat.
Chill naman. Chill.
Ano to?
Oh, 2 a.m. ah.
Shawarma now.
Teka.
And soda too. Don't screw it up. Anything else?
What you talking about?
That's enough.
Normal dito sa camera.
Makes it fast. Starving here.
The soda is 50 total 200.
Oh, normal nga. Serve this, man, bro.
Ito ah. To the go.
Oh, hell no. Don't trust that shit, eh.
Oh, what the?
Hello again. One shawarma, please.
Ganda yung boses niya tapos ano?
Ang weird, no?
Lalaki. Yeah, hair na. Before.
Close ba natin?
I see you before, bro.
Bro, baka babae lang.
Babae boses sa lalaki katawan. Fuck no.
You forgot to finish my order.
You can fuck off.
It's all right.
Yeah.
I remember for you.
Hey, yo.
I remember for you, bro. What the hell is that
What
supposed
is
to
siya?
mean? Wala pang nalaba, okay.
Oh.
Bakit? Ah, hell na.
Day one shawarma.
Hold on.
Sure out for a late walk.
Safe dito sa camera.
But well, your shawarma's worth the risk. Got it. Now
You mean?
Paano nagutom mo? Parang gusto kong mag-Angel's Burger.
Gusto ko shawarma.
Ayun nga, nagutom ako, bro. Gusto ko kumain. Ito magluluto pa kasi. Serve this man, bro.
So 2 AM na, kailangan natin umalilan.
Hindi, pag dumating yung inspection,
Wait.
lalabas tayo.
now the shadows don't look that bad.
Talaga.
What the wife selects on her console.
What? Saan ko sa...
Oh, the fuck? May mata niya. Oh, ayaw na.
Teka. Huwag mo na close. Oh, hell na. Close Abby. Yung cameraman.
That's 150.
Fuck. Get him out of here. We don't serve Ooga Booga here, man. Or fire this way.
Yeah. 50
50? That will be 50 rupees, sir.
Ano? Hindi ba talaga?
Huh?
O kaya pera. Currency, rupee. Okay.
Wait.
All right, that will be 150.
Alright, wait, that we good.
Tama naman yung boses.
Boses siya babae, diba?
Kanina nag-serve tayo ng isang anomaly. Yung babae, boses lalaki.
Here you go.
Finally, smells amazing.
Clap.
Oh,
Okay na, labas. Wag ka, ay, gago! Iba, labas ron, gago. Labas. Wag ka titingin sa kanya. Ano nangyari?
Yeah.
Wag ka sasakay. Resist.
Oh, no.
No! Bakit ako nauna? Hindi. Hindi.
What the fuck? Nakatingin siya.
Okay natin dito.
No.
No, pre. Huwag mo atras sa hayop ka. Tumingin ka lang sa harap, pre. Huwag ka titig sa likod, pre.
Oh, may kumakatok. Give me kumakatok, man.
No, bro. Yo, bro.
Wala stamina.
Yo, bro.
Kailangan ba ang fall? Na matatapos to.